when he extended the invitation for me to chair the presentation of these books, I accepted without hesitation. For me personally, it was not merely about supporting a writer or honoring a journalist, but also lending voice to truth, memory, and the kind of storytelling that enriches our national conversation. Just for the record, Ike Abonyi had also worked along with Sani Umar during my run for the presidency in 2022 and 2023. So today's occasion is more than a book launch. It is a celebration of ideas, history, and the indomitable Nigerian spirit. It is a celebration of a man who has committed over 3 decades of his life to documenting our collective journey, often with wit, sometimes with pain, but always with complete clarity. In the bubbles of Nigerian democracy, the musings of a Nigerian journalist were presented with over 100 essays that chronicle key developments in our political evolution from 1999 to 2023. Each article, originally published in Ike Abonyi's widely followed column, Political Musings, is like a snapshot frozen in time, offering commentary that is sharp, unsparing, and yet deeply, deeply reflective. Permit me to share a brief passage representative of his tone. And I quote, "In Nigeria, democracy often feels like a mirage, visible, yet evasive, even promising, but ever so distant upon approach. We vote every 4 years, yet somehow denied the freedom of choice. We speak every day, yet remain unheard. And we write constitutions that serve the few who are privileged and never the many who are underprivileged. Such words aren't just clever and profound, they're indictments of our collective contradictions, reminders of what democracy should be and warnings of what it should never become." In the second volume, Wadata Wonders, Memoirs of a Partisan Journalist, Ike takes us into the inner sanctums of party politics, specifically the years he served as media advisor to 2 national chairmen of the People's Democratic Party. The title, drawn from Wadata Plaza, the party's national headquarters, is as symbolic as it is insightful. In 29 brisk and readable chapters, the author shares anecdotes and reflections from his vantage point, offering us an invaluable window into the intricacies of party leadership and the dynamics of power. It is here that I must pause to offer special tribute to one of the towering figures chronicled in the book, Prince Uche Secondus. As national chairman, Prince Secondus displayed uncommon courage, commitment, and enormous capacity. He weathered storms that would have overwhelmed lesser men and remained focused on reforming and re-energizing party structures. I bear testimony to the huge impact that he had on me during my run for the presidency, given the enormous amount of wisdom, insight, guidance, and clarity and purpose that he gave me during my campaign. His leadership not only shaped the course of his party's direction during those turbulent years, but also left an imprint on the broader democratic process in Nigeria. It is no wonder that he is popularly known and called Total Chair. That a journalist of Ike Abonye's standing chose to document the era of Prince Uche Secondas in detail is a testament to the significance of his leadership and stewardship. Writing books such as these requires not just an intellectual journey through history. It demands courage, discipline, and a certain moral conviction. It is not easy to tell the truth, especially in a country where power often demands silence. Yet, in choosing to speak the truth, Ike Abonye has done us all a great national service. I also wish to commend the author for promising to direct part of the proceeds from these books to the Ichaporoko Foundation. I hope I pronounced that right. A charitable initiative that supports community upliftment. It speaks to his sense of duty beyond just the written word. To all those who are gathered here, your presence affirms the power of storytelling and the need to preserve our democratic history, however imperfect that might be. These books are more than memoirs. They are mirrors inviting us to reflect, to remember, and to reimagine. On behalf of the organizers and all of us here today, I warmly congratulate my dear friend, Mr. Ike Abonye, for his labor of love and legacy. May these books reach far and wide into classrooms, newsrooms, party offices, and most importantly, the minds of those who shape our future. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Allah.